National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued severe thunderstorm warning for Knox until 10 p.m. At 8:55 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. The storm was located 7 miles northwest of Centerburg and moving southeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Centerburg, Fredericktown, Damier, Danville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows.